Light has no color. There's no color in the universe. There's no red, green, blue, orange, yellow. There's just vibrating invisible energy. And when that energy from the Van Gogh or the Warhol goes into your eye, you create a virtual reality.
Welcome to Art and Technology. I'm Zach Kaplan. Today you're joining me for a conversation with media pioneer Scott Snibbe and artist Daito Manabe, who've done so much to expand art making. They've both created apps, interactive works, experiential works. Today we'll discuss how they got into the field. Scott, how about we begin with you? When you use the word interactive art, what do you mean by that?
The reason I create interactive art is very much because that idea that even looking at something is interactive drove me to want to create genuinely interactive artwork where a person has to participate using their whole body in space, so that then the person even more directly notices that they are the co-creator of an interactive experience. The very first piece I ever made was called Motion Phone, and it was a way for people to create abstract animations with each other over a network. And it was quite nice because you couldn't really insult anybody with abstraction. All you can do is move, create dynamics and color, and have a different kind of conversation.
Daito, let's move to you. I'd love to hear how you define interactive art.
プログラムを書いて作品を作るみたいなことを始めました。で、僕の場合はそこからこのオーディエンスと作品っていうインタラクティブなところから、ダンサーと、映像とかダンサーとそのロボットとか、オーディエンスに限らずというかオーディエンスではなくてどちらかというとそういう、ダンサーとかパフォーマー、あとはそういうスポーツ選手の、動きを解析して、映像を、生成するとか音を生成するとか。ドローンとかロボットを制御するみたいなことを、ここ10年ぐらいはやっています。
Do you think interactive art makes people machines?
So, does interactive art make us like machines? It's kind of like saying, does a book make us like a book? The medium of interactive art can express anything. It can make you feel angry and frustrated and violent, and it can make you feel connected to other people. Just like anything in life, it's entirely dependent and interdependent on the people and the minds that engage with it.
でもなんかやっぱその面白いと思うのはそのシステムを作ってそこに人を人を入れることでなんか成り立つシステムみたいなのがそこで作られてて、でなんか僕ダンサーとやって面白いなと思うのは、例えば何かそのダンサーの動きで映像が変わるとか音が変わるみたいなシステムを作って、そこにダンサーを入れるとやっぱり普段やらないようなダンスをやるようになる。そのシステムに応じてその身体の表現が変わっていくみたいなことがあって、そのなんかフィードバックが起きるっていうことがそのテクノロジーとその身体でフィードバックが起きるみたいな状態になるのが一番なんか僕は面白い状態だなっていうふうにはなんか思ってます。
Thanks for joining Art and Technology. We had a great conversation with Scott and Daito about their early works. In part 2, we'll look to the future. We'll discuss the future of interactive art and whether or not it will make us all machines.
Hyundai Motor, connecting art and technology.